Hey guys, and welcome to the video. I decided to do a little review of some software and websites that I use every day in my job as a DevOps manager and just in general when I'm not working or I'm focusing on YouTube. I have 10 tools for you today that range anywhere from automation to productivity. Make sure to check the description for all the links to the software and websites mentioned in this video. Also, only about 10% of the people who watch my videos are actually subscribed, and I would like to get that number up. If you like the videos I put out and want to keep seeing more, please consider subbing to the channel and hitting a like on this video. It's free and helps me get videos out to more people. Okay, let's get started. So the first website I have for you is called WiFiMan. WiFiMan is the first tool that I use every day when I log onto my computer. Although internet speed tests are a dime a dozen, WiFiMan offers some stuff that other speed tests do not. There are no ads, first of all, which is great, and WiFiMan is owned by Ubiquiti Inc. If you're not familiar with Ubiquiti, they sell a ton of networking stuff ranging from routers to switches, and they even have access points. Their products are beautifully designed and are minimalistic and just work. I would definitely recommend downloading WiFiMan for Android or iOS, or you can visit their website at wifiman.com. Next up, we have Chrome Remote Desktop. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't use Chrome, I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. I'm right there with you. The nice thing about this tool is that you don't actually need Chrome to run it. Let's say I wanted to connect to one of my laptops or desktops remotely while I'm on the road, for example. It's really just as simple as clicking one button and I can now use that remote computer as if it was my local machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect to my Mac Mini right here. And you can pretty much just use this as if it was a local machine. I can even come in here and I can full screen. And as you can see, there's basically no difference between, running my Mac Mini on the monitor itself or running it in this Chrome Remote Desktop. Webflow is a great tool for people who want to build a professional website but only know a dash of HTML and a tad of CSS. Webflow also is not your typical drag and drop website creator and will not look like a failed Wix website. Sorry, noobs. Webflow has a free plan, but if you want to actually do anything, you will have to start with their $12 plan. I have pretty much used any website builder you could think of, from Squarespace to WordPress, and I will say Webflow has a bit of a learning curve, but it is way more powerful and professional than any other product out there. Lenode is a cloud hosting company that specializes in simplifying cloud computing and networking for beginners. Their UI is extremely intuitive and easy to use. I personally host my modded Minecraft server on Lenode, and I also use Lenode if I ever have a quick test or project that I want to work on. In one of my future videos, I will be using Lenode to create a Kubernetes cluster, so make sure and subscribe so you can see that video a little later. If you watched my previous video on AWS EC2, and it confused you or you were intimidated by the complexity of AWS, Lenode is probably your best first step into the world of cloud computing. I have a link in the description below that lets you start an account for free. Make sure to hit that link to get started with a free account. Zapier is next on my list, and let me tell you, I love Zapier. Zapier lets you automate simple, mundane tasks and support almost 3,000 integrations such as YouTube, Facebook, Google Docs, Sheets, Wix, and thousands more. I currently use Zapier to automatically post my new YouTube videos to Facebook and Twitter as soon as they are uploaded to YouTube. It's really simple to get started, and I will have another video going over just how powerful Zapier is and how you can automate your entire company with Zapier. Spoiler, I actually have a side business completely automated running on Zapier, and I'll be talking about that in my video, so stay tuned. This next website is just a simple wallpaper website that has some amazing wallpapers available for download. Michael Gillett is the creator of the Wallpaper Hub and is currently a Windows Insider and developer. If you couldn't already tell, this is a very Microsoft-centric site, but the wallpapers are very minimalist, just the way I like them. I was even able to find this cool Windows Vista background in 4K. Hope you guys like that. Super simple to use. You come into a wallpaper and then you select the resolution that you'd like to download it as, and then boom, you can set that as your desktop background. Moving on, we have a super handy tool that removes the background from photos. It's called Removebg, and it's amazingly accurate and it's free. This is great for creating YouTube thumbnails and for profile pics. Make sure to check it out at remove.bg. My next tool is a must-have for Mac users and Windows users alike. Greenshot is the most extensive screenshot tool for power users. If you work in IT, you know that screenshots are a huge part of communicating with other team members. Greenshot allows you to number, highlight, annotate, and save files in any format. And it supports native screenshotting in Windows and Mac OS. I would highly recommend this tool. So recently I decided to de-Google. Now, I know what you're thinking. Yes, I'm on YouTube, and yes, YouTube is Google. But I felt funny about Google looking through my emails. Apparently they deleted emails from people's mailboxes if they mentioned a certain political party or political candidate. So naturally I decided it was time to remove my emails from their server and to move on. I came across ProtonMail and I've been happy with their web app and mobile app. One thing I love about ProtonMail is that everything is end-to-end encrypted. Like, it's actually end-to-end encrypted. It's not Google encrypted. See what I did there? Anyway, definitely go and check them out. It's free for limited storage space, but honestly, I have not been able to fill up that space, so you should be fine. And lastly, we have iTerm 2. For you Mac users out there, I am sure you have heard of this amazing terminal replacement. I use it every day at my job as a DevOps manager. I have fully customized it and have installed themes and tools such as OhmyZSH. It is fast, intuitive, and you can customize it as much as you could possibly want. I would really recommend it for any of you Mac users out there. I'll show you my running iTerm terminal on my Mac Mini right here. And as you can see, I have my iTerm running on my Mac Mini, which I'm using Chrome Remote Desktop, and I can run commands on here. Let's do kubectl get nodes, and you can see that iTerm works flawlessly. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed those products. I want to do more of these types of videos over the next few weeks. Make sure to hit that like and let me know in the comments if you have any other cool tools or websites that I should be looking at. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Peace.